20 years, the scientists at Brita have worked to give you healthier and great-tasting water. The Brita pitcher filter uses technology which combines coconut-based activated carbon with ion exchange resin in a BPA-free housing. These materials work together to reduce chlorine taste and odor, zinc, and harmful contaminants copper, mercury, and cadmium. Brita filters do not require pre-soaking prior to use and do not generate black carbon flecks. With an easy grip handle, Brita filters are easy to insert and remove in your pitcher. You should change the filter every 2 months or every 40 gallons, whichever comes first. Changing filters is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Remove the old filter with the easy grip handle. Flush the new filter with cold water for 15 seconds. Line up the notch in the Brita pitcher with the groove in the filter and press firmly to ensure a tight seal. After changing the filter, fill the reservoir with cold tap water. Make sure to use Brita brand filters to ensure a perfect fit with your pitcher every time.
Brita's Long Last filter works 3 times longer and even filters lead. And its setup is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just insert the filter into the reservoir while lining up the groove on the filter with the ridge on the reservoir. Press firmly for a tight seal. Then fill the reservoir with cold tap water and you're done. Brita Long Last filter. Cleaner, great-tasting water has never been easier.